WhatsApp has introduced a new username feature that lets you reserve a unique username for your account. Once this feature is fully available, people will be able to contact you using your username instead of your phone number, helping keep your number private. You can also choose to use your Instagram or Facebook username, or create a completely new one. In addition, WhatsApp will let you control who can contact you through your username for better privacy and security. Right now, this feature is still rolling out. So if you see usernames are coming soon, it means you'll get access in a future update. So, how do you open it? First, open the WhatsApp app. Then, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then, tap Settings. After that, go to Account. Then tap the username option. If you want to set any username of your choice, tap Create Username. So, I've set my username. After setting your username, tap Done. Now, as you can see, my WhatsApp username has been reserved successfully. However, the feature is not fully available yet. That's why WhatsApp is showing the message, "Usernames are coming soon." We'll let you know when yours is ready to use. This means your username has been saved, but you'll have to wait until WhatsApp officially enables the feature for your account. Below that, you'll also see the Contact Me by Username option. Right now, it's set to everyone, which means once the feature becomes available, anyone who knows your username will be able to contact you, depending on your privacy settings. Now you can see the username key screen. WhatsApp automatically generates a unique 4-digit key for your username. This key adds an extra layer of privacy and security. When someone wants to contact you for the first time using your username, you can share both your username and this key with them. If you don't like the current key, simply tap Get a different key to generate a new one. Once you've chosen the key you want, tap the Save Key button to save it to your account. As you can see, my username key is displayed below, and you can share it only with the people you want to connect with. Also, your existing contacts, people who already know your phone number, and anyone you're already chatting with won't need your username key to message you. If you ever want to make changes to your WhatsApp username, simply tap the Edit option in the top right corner. Here you'll see two options. The first one is Change Username, which lets you choose a new username whenever you want. The second option is Delete Username, which permanently removes your current username from your WhatsApp account. You can end your video with this natural YouTube-friendly outro. That's how you can reserve and set up a username on your WhatsApp account. Once this feature is officially available for everyone, you'll be able to use your username instead of sharing your phone number, giving you more privacy and control. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.